'Tis so sweet to walk with Jesus, step by step and day by day, stepping in his very footprints, walking with him all the way. Step by step, step by step, I would walk with Jesus all the day, all the way, keeping step with Jesus.